If you want to adjust the size of the clock in the lock screen on Poco C85, start by opening the settings and now go to the personalization. Next, you have to select the lock screen. And first of all, if you want to change the size of this clock, you have to go for the customize, click on the clock, and as you can see, we can just change its font style so it will look a little bit bigger or smaller. But if you want to like completely manage its size, you can do that. So as you can see, this one is actually pretty small, right? But we can apply, for example, this super big clock by selecting this lock screen style. There's also the different options, like for example this one. As you can see, it looks different. Another one, this one looks the same, but here we can also find the another styles. So for example this one, we can just click on this one and we can, as you can see, customize it and change its style. So this is basically everything for this video. That's how it looks. I hope you find it useful.